Hello, first grade. In our story, Ida Always, there are a few words in there that you may have heard of but aren't exactly sure what they mean. So, we're going to go over some vocabulary from our story, Ida Always. We are going to be introducing and talking about 5 words, and then you'll do an activity on Seesaw to go along with it. So, the first word we're going to talk about is something that you may be familiar with, especially if you have visited a zoo, and the word was zookeeper. Sonia was the zookeeper in the story Ida Always, and she came and talked to Gus about how Ida was doing. So, a zookeeper is a person who takes care of the animals in the zoo. The next word we have is lumbered. It said in the story, Gus lumbered to Ida's cave. And I had read the word, but I was like, what does that really mean? Well, lumbered means to move in a slow or awkward way. So pretend you're a polar bear and you're going to lumber over to the cave. It means you're walking slowly and awkwardly. All right. The next word we have is squabble. And squabble, if you look here at the picture, the two people here do not look very happy with each other. A squabble is to argue loudly about things that are not important. Maybe you have had to squabble with a brother or a little sister, and you are arguing and getting very, very upset about something that really isn't that important. Maybe like who gets the red sucker instead of the purple sucker? Is that a silly thing to get upset about? Yeah, but sometimes we have a squabble like that. The next word is skyscraper. A skyscraper are in big cities, and a skyscraper is a very tall building in the city. You could see the skyscrapers when they were thinking about what goes on beyond the zoo. And we've talked about skyscrapers in other stories as well. Maybe if you have visited a big city like Chicago, you have even seen a skyscraper. All right, and this is our last word. The last word is echo. An echo is a sound that is a copy of another sound. So maybe if you're out in the mountains like the girl in the picture and you say, hello, then the echo is going to continue to make that sound. So if I said hello, your echo would be hello, hello, hello. And it would just continue on out into the distance. So, echo, again, is a sound that is a copy of another sound. And those are your 5 vocab words for the story Ida Always.